Richard is a friend of mine and he has helped me a lot, so let's go and surprise him with this one.
Hello, get the. Ay, costume bagi, tumbuh kunci. Kayak gini sih. Rumah yang berasa ya. Rumah. Ay, lokum deh. Yengo, check it out. Unboxing tahu ke? Di plan mana dia? Size क्या no? 7.
हाँ.
7. Sani nangi ni.
हाँ.
Pambo.
Tipam ya. Adum lah ni nui lah kuning si pun lah.
Yeah.
This video is sponsored by Gara Salon. Gara Salon na ningo sakobam di Diwali ki offer piri. Offers in November ki date 1 day horaga date 30 phone ne. Sigi phone number sing sida call toroga book token biu. 7005813542. Number amana 8787791109. Audagi number amana 7005116452. Offers is slots 40 khatang pieba. Gara ki location se Rims Road MM gya sile dana atugi hek nakanda. Latest ki combo pack 1. Hair straightening, pedicure and manicure, facial, haircut, aduga threading. Sigi normal price na 6,130. Offer price na only 4,900. Ladies ki second pack na hair spa or oiling, facial, haircut, threading, waxing, underarms and full arms. Normal price na 3,030 ne wadu offer price na di 2,430 only. Third pack na hair coloring or straightening, cleanup, hair trimming, threading. Normal rate na di 4,280 but offer price na 3,430. Housing na main gi combo pack. Main gi combo first pack na body spa for 60 minutes, aroma facial, haircut, hair oiling. Normal price na 3,100. Adu offer price na di 2,799 only. Mains ki second pack na pedicure, hair spa, haircut, aduga glow facial. Normal price na 2,800 leyo. Katupo offer price na di 2,499 only. Garas Power Salon gi Instagram page to i description da link to hapam gi ba adu da mayam DM toroga ko pumaron ka khangbi ba khot pulu yar ni. So 40 slots khatang ni mayam number piri basing du da call toroga book token biro. Thank you Gara for sponsoring this video.